So today we're going to talk about how to have good driving posture and practices for long summer weekend drives, because hopefully you'll be able to do a lot of that this summer, and it can put a lot of strain and stress on your spine. As a chiropractor, I know this really well, and I actually don't like going on long drives myself, but I know what to do to avoid the discomfort and the consequences of it. So here we go. I wrote some notes here. I'm going to just glance back and forth. But first of all, make sure you have plenty of water and some healthy snacks that are not sugary, like fruit, maybe some cheese, some nuts, and some dip and veggies, okay? No sugary snacks, because that's just going to make you more tired. Have entertainment for your kids if they're going to be joining you, so they don't annoy you. Not that I don't love kids, but there's nothing worse than driving and your kids are screaming in the background. So make sure your seat, this is really important, the seat positioning is really important. So make sure your seat's in an upright posture. So, you want to sit on your butt, so you may have to move some meat out of it, and like sit on your sit bones, and then be able to relax back. Your shoulders should be back and relaxed. And your headrest should be back. So you shouldn't have your headrest like this, because that's going to cause so much strain. You might end up getting a headache or eye strain due to the nerve stress in your neck. And if your low back doesn't have a lumbar support, you can roll up a towel and just put it right behind your spine to put a nice curve in your lumbar spine, so that'll help all the nerves flow better and the discs be in their best possible position. With your feet, you want to just make sure your feet are even. So some people drive like this or like this. You really want to drive with your feet both evenly positioned and both touching, being able to touch the gas and the brake. And if you have a clutch, well, I don't drive a clutch, but you'll have to, also be in a very comfortable position with that. With your steering wheel, make sure you can kind of relax your arms and keep both your hands on your steering wheel, so it's easy to turn and you don't have to strain your arms. You don't want to be all the way back and be trying to reach your steering wheel. Let's see what else I wrote here. We got that. And take breaks. Breaks are really important. It'll avoid you from having a horrible vacation, because now your back's all messed up. And I like to do 1.5 to 2 hour breaks. You take a break every 1.5 to 2 hours. And when you take a break, get up, walk around, and stretch your hamstrings, your quads, and your piriformis muscle with that, number 4 stretch. And you can stretch your arms too. And I'm not going to get into that now, but we'll do that another time. You take your breaks. I like using Google Maps or Waze so you don't get stuck in the worst possible traffic. And I also think it's important not to drive in the middle, really late at night when you're tired, or in the middle of the hottest part of the day, because it's going to just get so hot that you're going to get uncomfortable, and that's never fun when you're on your way to your great weekend. Your phone when you're driving, it's not just for you, but it's for everyone else on the road, and you're being a good example to your children when you don't look at your phone when you're driving, because it'll make your time go really quick, and before you know it, you'll be there, and your whole family can enjoy learning something new or getting into a adventure in your, some kind of a fun adventure from your book. And if you have another driving, that's always a great thing. So I think I covered most everything. I hope you guys have a great weekend and drive safely and smart. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.